four-wheel driving on the weekend, I better pick up some basic recovery gear. Give you guys a rundown. Trojan recovery shovel. You never know, I didn't want to get old, sounds super easy. It's a pick on one side. Trojan four-wheel drive recovery track, solid, enough to get me out of trouble. They also came in a carry bag, which I didn't realise, so that's pretty handy. This XTM tyre deflator. It's recommended that I put my tyres 25, 24 PSI instead of what I currently run at, which is 36. I've got Vulcan Wild P AT4 running at the moment. They're the all-terrain. To reinflate the tyres, this is my plan using this Caross tyre inflator. And to be honest, when I did put my tyres down yesterday, worked pretty well, but not really what I'm needing, as I've only got 1.5 tyres reflated. So I think at the size I'm currently running, it just wasn't up for the job. It ended up overheating. But in general, I think for smaller things like bike tyres, motorbike tyres, footballs, small inflatables, it would be absolutely fine. It was the 4.7 tow hitch, which I haven't even opened yet, but this just goes into your existing tow hitch. When you get stuck, they don't recommend putting a strap onto your tow ball. So all in all, with everything that I picked up, just in case, I spent about $320, and I think that was really good value for money.